Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into ChatGPT 4.0 highlights. Whether you're new to AI or you've been experimenting with ChatGPT for a while, this video is going to walk you through what it is, how to sign up, some common mistakes people make, and what to do if it doesn't work the way you expect. Plus, I'll share some top tips and recommendations to make the most of it. So, let's get started. Before we start diving like moles, let me explain what ChatGPT 4.0 highlights is. In a nutshell, it's the latest and most advanced version of OpenAI's language model. Think of it as your personal assistant, your creative collaborator, and even your brainstorming buddy. ChatGPT 4.0 is faster, smarter, and better at understanding context than its previous versions, and the highlights feature makes it even more efficient. You can quickly get summaries, insights, or customized responses without having to explain every little detail each time. Alright, so how do you sign up for ChatGPT 4.0 highlights? Super easy. Head over to the chatin.ai website and click on Start for Free and create your account. If you already have an OpenAI account, simply log in. Now here's the key. Make sure you have access to GPT 4.0. This might require a subscription to ChatGPT Plus, which gives you access to the latest models. And once you're in, you're good to go. You can start using ChatGPT 4.0 highlights immediately. Now let's talk about how to actually use ChatGPT 4.0 highlights. Once you open the chat, type in your prompt like you normally would. And here's the cool part. The highlights feature is all about getting straight to the point. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to summarize a long article or a conversation, it will extract the most important details and give you a concise response. No more scrolling through tons of info. It's like having a personal assistant that understands exactly what you're looking for. But there's more. You can also customize the way ChatGPT responds. For example, you can ask it to reply in a specific style, like formal, casual, or even in the tone of a storyteller. Let me show you. You can really tailor the response to whatever style you need, whether it's for work, school, or just for fun. Now here's a pro tip. ChatGPT 4 highlights really shines when you ask follow-up questions. So let's say you're brainstorming ideas or need more in-depth info. You can keep asking follow-ups, and it will remember the context. It's like having an ongoing conversation where it just keeps getting smarter. That's the power of context in ChatGPT 4.0. Now, like with anything, there are some common mistakes people make when using ChatGPT 4.0 highlights. Let's go over a few so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1. Not being specific enough. If you ask vague questions, ChatGPT might give you broad answers. Be clear about what you want. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about marketing," ask, "Can you summarize the top 3 digital marketing strategies for 2024? Mistake number 2. Forgetting to use follow-up prompts. Sometimes people ask one question and leave it at that, but remember, the more you engage with ChatGPT, the better your results will be. So what if ChatGPT 4.0 highlights isn't working like you expected? Maybe it's giving you odd responses or doesn't seem to understand what you're asking. Here's what you can do. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Second, log out and back in, especially if you've been using it for a while. And third, if it's still acting up, try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser like Chrome or Edge. And if none of that works, head over to OpenAI's status page and check if there's a known issue with the servers. They sometimes get overloaded. Before we wrap up, here are a few recommendations to really make the most of ChatGPT 4.0 highlights. Tip number 1. Use it for brainstorming sessions. Whether you're creating content, writing, or just trying to solve a problem, ChatGPT can be a great partner. Tip number 2. Take advantage of the highlights feature for summarizing long texts. It's perfect if you're short on time but need to grasp key details quickly. And tip number 3. Save your favorite responses. Whether it's for work or personal projects, ChatGPT's summaries or custom replies can be reused as templates. Just copy and paste them into your notes. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT 4 highlights like a pro. Whether you're brainstorming, summarizing, or just exploring the possibilities of AI, this tool is going to make your life so much easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up and of course, subscribe for more tips and tutorials on AI tech and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.